APC PYQA Part E, Year 2023, question number 58 to 74, Paper 1, General Studies. Now we will discuss. Question number 58, consider the pairs, following pairs. 1. Mahamaya Temple, Dhuburi. 2. Thekiakhwa Bornamghar, Golaghat. 3. Malini Than, Dhemaji. 4. Deopani Temple, Jorhat. Select the correctly matched pairs using the codes given below. A. 1 and 2 only. B. 1 and 3 only. C. 2 and 3 only. D. 1, 3 and 4 only. Answer is B. 1 and 3 only. Question number 59. Match the following personalities. List 1 which with the awards or recognition they had been conferred with. List 2. List 1. Hemoprabha Chutia. A. B. Jintimoni Nakal Kalita. C. Uma Chetri. D. Pratima Nandi Narzari. List number 2. 1. Awarded Padma Shri in 2023. 2. First female participant from Assam in T20 Asia Cup hosted in Hong Kong. 3. Indian cricket player from Assam in the Asian Games held in Hangzhou, China. 4. Winner of Sahitya Akademi Bal Puraskar 2023. Select the correct answer using the codes given below. A. A1, B2, C3, D4, B, A4, B3, C2, D1. C. A2, B3, C1, D4, D, A3, B2, C4, D1. Answer, correct answer is A. Question number 60. India breached the 100 medal mark for the first time in the Asian Games at Hangzhou in China in 2023. Select the correct pair of gold and silver medals from the options given below. A. Gold 24, silver 34. B. Gold 28, silver 38. C. Gold 28, silver 32. D. Gold 22, silver 38. The answer is B. Gold 28, silver 38. Question number 61. The operation to evacuate the Indian citizens from Israel during the 2023 Israel-Hamas war is named as A. Operation Rahat. B. Operation Ajay. C. Operation Devi Shakti. D. Operation Kaveri. Answer is B. Operation Ajay. Question number 63. Match the following historical or tourist place of Assam. List 1 with the corresponding districts where these are located. List 2. List 1. A. Ghuguha Dol. B. Patharughat. C. Shankadevi Archaeological Site. D. Baduli Kurung. List 2. 1. Dorong. 2. Dhemaji. 3. Nogao. 4. Hojai. Select the correct answer using the codes given below. A. A2, B4, C3, D1. B. A2, B1, C4, D3. C. A1, B2, C4, D3. D. A2, B3, C4, D1. The correct answer is B. Question number 63. Read the following statement regarding the blockchain. Which of the following statement is or are correct? 1. It is a method of recording information that makes it impossible or difficult for the system to be changed, hacked, or manipulated. 2. This method can ensure secure transaction, lower compliance expenses, and accurate data transfer processing. 3. This method is using in financial service industry. 4. Fuji Nakamori is the name used by the presumed pseudonymous person or persons who developed Bitcoin. Select the correct answer using the codes given below. A. 1 only. B. 1 and 2 only. C. 1, 2 and 3 only. D. 1, 2 and 4 only. The answer is B. 1 and 2 only. Question number 64. Who among the following was awarded the Sukapa Award 2023? A. Dhirendranath Bejborua. B. Pranabjyoti Deka. C. Nandeshwar Dayamari. D. Ranjan Gogoi. The answer is A. Dhirendranath Bejborua. Question number 65. Who among the following are Arjuna Award winners from Assam? A. Bhogeshwar Borua. 1. Bhogeshwar Borua. 2. Monalisa Borua Mehta. 3. Amlan Borgohai. 4. Jayanta Talukdar. Select the correct answer using the codes given below. A. 1 and 2 only. B. 1, 2 and 3 only. C. 1, 2 and 4 only. D. 1 and 3 only. The Correct answer is C, 1, 2 and 4 only. Question number 66. The Mukhya Mantri Mahila Udamita Abhiyan MMUA was announced in January 2024. What are the eligibility criteria for scheme? 1. All women self-help group of Assam are eligible for scheme. 2. If the applicants have girl children, they must be enrolled in school. 3. The trees the applicants planted under the Amrit Vriksha Andolan should be surviving. 4. General and OBC categories applicants cannot have more than 3 children. Select the correct answer using the codes given below. A 1, 2, 3 only, B 1, 2 and 4 only, C 2 and 4 only, D 2, 3 and 4 only. The answer is D 2, 3 and 4 only. Question number 67. If an individual is awarded with a gold medal called Lasit Borphukan Medal as the best army cadet, where has he or she passed out from? A. Indian Military Academy AMA, IMA. B. National Defence Academy NDA. C. Rashtriya Indian Military College RIMC. D. Army Cadet College SCC. The answer is B. National Defence Academy. Question number 68. Arrange the following Speaker of the Assam Legislative Assembly in the chronological order. 1. Pulkesh Borua. 2. Kuldhar Choliha. 3. Deveshwar Sharma. 4. Mahendra Mohan Chaudhary. Select the correct answer using the codes given below. A 3 2 3 4 2 1. B 4 3 2 1. C 3 2 4 1. D 4 3 1 2. The correct answer is C 3 2 4 1. Question number 69. Arrange the descending order the population in Assam by languages are as per the census of India 2011. A. Assamese missing, Bengali Bodo. B. Assamese Bengali Bodo missing. C. Assamese Bodo missing Bengali. D. Assamese missing Bodo Bengali. The answer is B. Question number 70. Which of the following are not work or works of Mahadev? 1. Nam Gosha. 2. Bhakti Ratnavali. 3. Bhumi Letwa. 4. Bali Chalan. Select the correct answer using the codes given below. A 1 only, B 2 and 4 only, C 4 only, D 3 and 4 only. The answer is C 4 only. Question number 71. Match the following places of Assam. List 1 with the district where these are located. List 2. List 1. A. Titapur. B. Doulasal. C. Nazira. D. Sortebari. List number 2. A. 1. Sivasagar. 2. Barpeta. 3. Jorhat. 4. Nalbari. Select the correct answer using the codes given below. A 2 B 3 C 1 D 4 B A 3 B 2 4 C 2 D 1 C A 4 B 3 C 1 D 2 D A 3 B 4 C 1 D 2. Question number the answer is D. Question number 72. Which of the following names of the climatic zones of Assam is or are not correct? 1. Upper Brahmaputra Valley. 2. North Central Brahmaputra Valley. 3. Bareil Zone. 4. Hill Zone. Select the correct answer using codes given below. A 1 only, B 3 and 4 only, C 2 only, D 2 and 3 only. The answer is D 2 and 3 only. Which of the following statements are correct about the Women's Reservation Bill 2023? A 1. The Women Reservation Bill 2023 proposed 33 reservation for women in the Lok Sabha and the assemblies of states and National Capital Territory of Delhi. 2. Similar reservation will also be provided within the seats reserved for SC and ST. 3. The bill proposes that the reservation will continue for 25 years. 4. The bill which reserved 33% of seats for women in the Lok Sabha and the state assemblies include the quota for women from the OBCs. Select the correct answer using the codes given below. A 1 and 2 only, B 2 and 3 only, C 1 2 and 3 only, D 1 3 2 3 and 4 only. The correct answer is A 1 and 2 only. Question number 74. Match the following schemes. List 1 with the correct objective. List 2. List 1. Beti Bachao Beti Padhao. A. B. Balika Samriddhi Yojana. C. CBSE Udan scheme. D. Poshan Abhiyan. List 2. One, it gives importance to the nutritional level of adolescents, girls, pregnant women, lactating mothers, and the children of 0 to 6 years of age. 2. It offers free course materials or online resources such as video study material, class material for girl student in 11 to 12 standard. 3. To provide fiscal support to young girl and their mother who belong to BPL category. 4. Removing or preventing gender bias selective abortions for the girl child. Select the correct answer using the codes given below. A4, B3, C2, D1, B, A1, B2, C4, D3, C, A4, B3, C1, D2, D, A3, B4, C1, D2. The correct answer is A. Thank you for watching my video.